Good morning, dear student. Dear student, you read in the last class about the number system. Yes, your second chapter is system number. So that you read about the number system and two type of number system, positional and non-positional number. Okay, so today we shall discuss about the positional number system. So yesterday the main positional number system used in digital hardware are as follow. That means decimal number system and binary number system and third octal number system and hexadecimal number system. And the student, you know what's the base of that number system? So positional number system. So there's a four types number system. First, decimal number system, and you know what the base of decimal number? So that's base 10. Yes, and second, binary number system, that base 2. Yes, student. And third, octal number system, and that base 8. And 4, hexadecimal number system, and base 16. Okay, student. So that's base different to the other number system. So yes, in the last class we cleared about the decimal number system. So today we shall read about the binary number system. So binary number, and you know that decimal number. So decimal number base 10 and had 10 as its base. So it uses various symbols called digit for 10 values, that's 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to project that decimal number, student. Okay, and today take the topic binary number system. So the binary number system base 2, you know well. So that's represent numeric values using two symbols, typically 0 and 1. So that here 0 and 1. So this is a 2 because is here already right, base 2. So that's binary number system represent numeric values using two symbols, 0 and 1. So in other words, Binary is positional number system with a power of 2. Okay, so that's the numeral 0 and 1 have some meaning as in decimal system. Okay, but a different interpretation is placed on position occupied by digit. Okay, yes. So in binary number system, the individual digit represent the coefficient of power of 2 rather than 10. So as in the decimal number system, for example, the decimal number 19 is written in binary number represent as that's decimal number 19, and binary number, this is decimal number, okay. So that's binary number of that 19 is 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, students? Yes. So this is a binary number. Okay, and that 19 decimal number convert to binary number 1001. How? Look, 1001. Okay, so how many number? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so less the one number. Okay, you have total 5 digits here, but you will count from left side 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so less the one number. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So look, 1 into 1 into 2 power 4. Okay, student, why? Because your total number is 5, so less the one number, so you make a power 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 1 plus 1 into 2 power 1 and last one 1 into 2 power 0. Clear, student? So 2 power 4, to count to multiply by 2 4 times. Yes, so that means 2 power 4, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16. So you will write here 16. Okay, and plus, so 0 into 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 power 1 is equal to 2, and plus 1 into 1. Why? Because 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So this is very, yes. If any power 0 with any number, okay, yes, any number have power 0, that means 1, value. Okay, student? Yes. Suppose 4 power 0, that's 1. 3 power 0, that means 1. Okay? 8 power 0, that means value 1. Yes, student. The very important things, if any number power, that means value 1. Okay, student? Yes. So here 2 power 0, 1. So add the number 16 plus 0 into 8, 0 plus 4, 0 into 4, 0, 1 into 2, 2, and 1 into 1, 1. So here 16 to 18, 18, 1, 19. Clear, student? That number, how will you convert the decimal number to binary number? Okay, so this 1 0 0 1 1, it's binary number. Okay, so that's a binary number converting into decimal number. Okay, student? Yes. So that's, let's say another example of binary number. Look here. So let's take that fourth binary number. Suppose decimal number is 14 and binary number of 14 1 1 1 0. Okay, student? So look, 1 1 1 0. So count the number, total number 1 2 3 4. So less the one number. So that means 3. So okay, start from that 1 into 2 power 3 and plus 1 into 2 power 2 square, that means, and plus 1 into 2 power 1 and plus 0 into 2 power 0. Clear? How make that number? 110 is equal to 1 to power 3. That's total number is here 4. So less the one number. Okay, student? Yes. And make the power sequence. 2 power 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So here 8. And 2 square, so 1 into 4 and 1 into 2 power 1, 2 and plus 0 into 1, 8, 4 plus 2 plus 0, 8 4, 12, 12 to 14. So that's your answer. Clear? Yes. So 14 decimal number and that binary number is 110. So we take that binary number and converting, and your answer is 14. That's clear? Okay, student? How will convert binary number into decimal number? Okay, so that's, first count the number, how many total number and less 1. for power digit. Okay, yes. So that's, you take the other number. So last example for you, suppose your example is 100, your decimal 100 decimal number, and your binary 1 1 double 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so let's try with that binary number. So first of all, count the number 1 2 3. It is all. Your decimal number is 100. Okay, and your binary number is 1 1 0 0 1 double 0. Yes, clear? So that's your new binary number 1 1 0 0 1 double 0. Okay, student. So let's try how we convert in decimal number and check that what is the binary number value of this decimal number. So look, 1 1 0 1 double 0. Okay, so what's the work? First count of the digit, total digit you have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So less than one number, that means your digit is 7. Total digit 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So power digit, you will make power digit start from 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Clear, student? That point. So your total digit is 7 and power digit start from 7 minus 1. Okay, so that means 6. So look, 1 into, okay, 2 power 6. So you know, student, why multiply by 2? Because that's binary number base 2. Okay, what is the base of binary number? 2. So multiply by that number 2. Okay, yes, and one number is here also in your question. Okay, yes, so that's no any confusion for 2, because that's base of binary number 2. So multiply by 2 and plus sign, put the plus sign value, and 1 into 2 power 5. Okay, yes, increase the number. Okay, 6, and then position here 0 into 2 power 4 plus that 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 square and plus this 0 into 2 power 1 and last 0 that 0 into 2 power 0. Clear? How make that line? Okay, so that's 2 multiply by 2 in 6 times. So 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32, 32 to ja 64, and 64 you will be right here and put the sign of plus, and 2 multiply by 5 times, so that 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32. And 0 into 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, and plus 0 into 2 to ja 4 to ja 8 plus 1 into 4 plus sign and 0 into power 1, so that means 2, and plus 0 into 1. Okay student? Yes, if any number have power 0, that means value 1. So 64, 32, okay, so here 1 into 32, and plus 16 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4, and plus 2 into 0, 0, and plus 1 into 0, 0. So 4 to 6, 6 4, 10, and 6 3, 9, 1 carry 100. Your answer 100. Clear? About the binary number and how convert the binary number. Okay, student? Yes. So I hope that you understand well about the binary number convert to the decimal number. Okay? Yes. Really simple and very easy. Okay? Only you will notice that count the number, how many total number, and less one number. Okay, so total digit 7 and power digit start from 7 minus 1, 6. So and increase the number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it. So in your book, students have the some decimal number and binary number. So look that this type table. That decimal number and binary number. Okay. Okay, so that's 0. So binary number 0 0 0. Okay, so that's 1. So your binary number is 0 0 1. Okay, and that's binary number 2. So 0 0 1 0, and 3. So that's your binary number is 0 0 1 1. Okay, and 4, your binary number is 0 1 0 0. Okay, and your binary number is 5. So that means 0 1 0, and your binary number 6. That means 0 1 1 0, and your binary number 7. So that means 0 1 1 1, and binary number 8. So that means 1 0 0 0, and your binary number 9. So that means 1 0 0 1, and for 10, your binary number, so 1 0 1 0. Okay, and your 11. So that's binary number 1 0 1 1. Okay, and 12 binary number. So that's 1 1 0. Okay, and 13, your binary number. So 1 1 0 1. Okay, student. Yes, and 14. So your binary number is 1 1 0. So this is a table of some decimal number and binary number. Okay, student. So please learn that what's the decimal number and what's the value of binary number of decimal number. Okay, student. So in the next class we will read about the octal number and hexadecimal. So please let's try with binary number convert to decimal number, and you take any decimal number and convert into binary number. Thank you so much, students.